How to turn on or off comments, like, notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off comments, like, notifications on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find the setting option. Click on it. All you need to do now is click on notifications and scroll down until you find comment, likes, and here you can turn off or on this option wherever you want. So basically, when you turn off this option, you are not gonna get a notifications when people likes your comments on a post or on something. And this is it. If you turn on, you're gonna receive notifications, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.